Okay, so I am trying something new. Let me close this door. Hopefully my camera doesn't fall down. So, I am trying something new. Am I in vision? Hi. Okay, perfect. Vision is clear. So, what is up, YouTubers? Is it too slow? I know I haven't been doing introductions in my latest videos. That's because I am doing daily uploads. Basically, whatever I record is whatever I'm gonna upload. But today, I decided to do something a little bit more planned, if that makes sense. So this Civic mirror, the original one, it's all right for what it is, but I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but there's like this smudge in here. It's like a smudge inside the, I don't know if this is gonna pick it up, but you can see like a smudge right here and right here. But that's inside the glass. That's like, I guess, on the mirror part itself. So I can't really clean it off. So I was like, well, what can I do? I don't want to get a wink mirror like the race car Honda guys use. So I decided, what's the next JDM thing that's out there? And I figured, why not get a Broadway mirror? Check that out. Is there enough light in here? Jeez, let me see. Let me see if I could just put my flashlight right here, and I'll probably give more light to, not really, but I mean, it is what it is. It's really dark in here, but it's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. But anyways, I bought this Broadway mirror. Let me see, I'll get the light on it. Bought this Broadway mirror. I believe I paid $10 for it. I don't know how much the original ones go for. I'm pretty sure this isn't an authentic one or a real one, as people would say, but the instructions on the back do kind of give it like that, oh, it is official, it is real kind of look, but I don't think it is real. I don't think it's a real one, because I only paid like $10 for this mirror, so I doubted this is a real one. But I never owned one of these. I actually see these all the time on customers' cars at Livermore Honda. I always see them, and oh, look at that. So it has, here, let me get my flashlight in here. So it has these tabs in the back, and they raise to accommodate your mirror and whatnot. So this is really universal as it is. And you can see it looks really nice. It looks like the real deal, but I mean, I don't think it is. When I looked this up, it said it was for Honda Civics, but by the looks of it, it looks universal as hell. So let's go ahead and slap this on. Hopefully I don't break it. Wow. Wow, it slips right in, like really, really good. Yeah, there it is. It's on there. I don't know how bad, if it's gonna wiggle or not during like driving and whatnot, but here, let me see if I can, let's see, let me get comfortable here. So let me get my position here. Let me set this up. Wow, this has a really, really wide lens, or really, really wide angle. So I can see really, really wide, and it doesn't hurt my eyes or nothing, and I can, wow. Why didn't I buy this for my XRS or Celica? This looks really nice. They had another one that was like a shade of blue on the mirror part itself, but I kind of thought that's more like luxury sort of, because I see the Acuras do have that on their side mirrors, but I kind of don't like it, so I didn't end up getting it. But wow, this makes a huge difference. I don't know if the vibration is gonna make the camera over there vibrate a lot, but let's try it out. So there's the fuel pump going. Let me just kill the engine. Yeah, I'm on solid mounts. I'm not 100% liking solid mounts. I'm probably gonna go back to OEM, but the car came with solid mounts, so that's what I'm sticking with for now. But here, I think I'm done with this right now. But yeah, it's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty good. Here, we could probably see, like, yeah, it's pretty good. I like it. I really do. Well, that's gonna be it for this video. I mean, it's just JDM. It's trying to be JDM, but typically everything on eBay is considered not real. It's considered fake. So I kind of don't think this is a real one, but I mean, they did a pretty good job on presenting it being real, so I'm okay with that. It looks good. So there you guys have it. Thank you guys for watching.